lesson for today is about filtration rate. By the way, filtration is the last stage in the treatment process for removing particles from the water. The filtration media can vary from sand to gravel, to anthracite coal to garnet, or a variety of materials layered to trap the remaining suspended solids in the water. So this is an example of filtration. So what is filtration rate? Filtration rate is the measure of how much water passes through a certain size filter over a specific time. So this is an example of mini filtration box. As flows enters the filter, it travels down through the media and then out to either a finished water clear well for distribution. This is the simple illustration for filter box. This is the flow. This is the surface area. So in here it passes through. So we have the filtration rate and then we have the flow out. Typically, filtration rates are expressed in gallons per minute per square foot of filter area, GPM per square foot. It is the flow of water through the surface area of a filter. This is the formula used for filtration rates. Filtration rate, or FR, is equal to flow divided by the surface area. Since filtration rates are expressed as GPM per square foot, then it only makes sense to convert the flow rate to GPM prior to dividing by the filter surface area. So remember that the units for the flow and area will determine the unit for filtration rate. So problem example number 1. A water treatment plant with a 100 square foot filter has a flow of 1,650 gallons per minute. What is the filtration rate expressed in GPM per square foot? So the given is 100 square foot, yun yung surface area natin. And then yung 1,650 gallons per minute, yun yung flow natin. So ang unknown ay yung filtration rate. Solution. So this is an illustration for the problem number 1. So given yung flow natin na 1,650 and then meron tayong surface area na 100 square foot. So ang filtration rate, yun yung unknown. Applying the formula, FR is equal to flow divided by the surface area. So given naman na yung flow, given naman na yung surface area, so nakukompute na natin yung filtration rate na FR. So 1,650, yun yung flow natin. Tapos yung surface area is yung 100 square foot. So ang filtration rate natin ngayon, pag dinivide mo yung dalawa, 1,650 divided by 100 is 16.5 gallons per minute per square foot. So dito yon, GPM per square foot. So yun yung unit ng filtration rate, GPM per square foot. Example number 2. A water treatment plant has an average daily flow of 10.5 million gallons per day. The filter at the end of the treatment process is 22 feet by 15 feet. What is the filtration rate expressed as GPM per square foot? Given, we have flow is equal to 10.5 million gallons per day, length 22 feet, width is yung 15 feet, FR is equal to unknown. In this question, you need to calculate the area of the filter first and determine if you want to convert the daily flow to GPM before or after you divide it by the area. Okay. Step number 1. Determine the area of the filter. Since given naman na yung length and width natin, so i-multiply lang natin yung 22 by 15. So, ang surface area natin is equal to 330 square foot. Step 2. Convert the daily flow 10.5 million gallons to GPM. Ang equivalent ng 10.5 mgd is equal to 10,500,000 gallons per day. So, i-convert muna natin into minute yung day. Since ang hinahanap natin is GPM, per minute dapat. So, in 1 day, meron tayong 24 hours. Tapos, in 1 hour, meron tayong 60 minutes. So, mapapansin natin, makakancel yung day, tapos yung hours, tapos yung hour. So, matitira yung minute. So, if you multiply 24 times 60, that's actually the 1,440 minutes na value nung nakaraan na explanation natin. So, 10,500,000 gallons times 1 divided by 1,440, yun yung 24 times 60, is equal to 7,291.7 gallons per minute. So, yan yung flow natin. Naka-GPM na siya. Gallons per minute. And then step 3, plug in the filtration rate formula. FR is equal to flow divided by the surface area. So, flow is equal to 7,292. Yun. Ginawa ng 7,292 instead of 7,291.7. Divided by yung area na 22 feet by 15 feet. Yun yung 330 kanina. Yun. 330 square foot. So, ang answer natin ngayon, pag dinabide natin yung 7,292 divided by yung 330, ang filtration rate natin is 22.1 gallons per minute per square foot. So, laging tatandaan na ang unit for filtration rate is gallons per minute per square foot. Instead na million gallons per day. So, that's it.